Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty to misdemeanor tax charges after a stunning few hours in court that saw the collapse of his plea deal. After initially attempting to plead guilty, Hunter Biden shifted course when Judge Mary Ellen Noreika scrutinized parts of the deal. The judge questioned whether the plea deal over misdemeanor tax charges would offer Hunter Biden immunity from all criminal charges. When the DOJ said no and indicated the investigation was ongoing, Hunter Biden's lawyers declared the plea deal dead. The Justice Department had recommended no jail time for Hunter Biden over charges that he failed to pay as much as $1.5 million in taxes in 2017 and 2018. Republicans said they believe the deal is far too lenient. Evidently, the federal judge agreed. And whistleblowers involved with the investigation have said the DOJ had enough evidence to charge Hunter Biden with more serious felonies, but failed to do so. Late-night drama unfolded the evening before the hearing, complicated the legal mess even further. The judge in the case ordered Hunter Biden's lawyers to explain why a person working for their firm called the court and pretended to be an aide to a Republican lawmaker in an effort to get filings stripped from the record. House Ways and Means Committee Chair Jason Smith had filed a brief earlier in the day putting IRS whistleblower testimony into the court record. Hunter Biden's lawyers denied that any of their employees impersonated a Republican to get the whistleblower claims thrown out. But the dust-up underscored how aggressively Hunter Biden's attorneys have fought an investigation into the president's son for years. Ahead of the hearing, House Speaker Kevin McCarthy said the House may explore an impeachment inquiry.
This is rising to the level of impeachment inquiry, which provides Congress the strongest power to get the rest of the knowledge and information needed. Because this president has also used something we have not seen since Richard Nixon, used the weaponization of government to benefit his family and deny Congress the ability to have the oversight.
The White House continued to stonewall on questions about the president's son on Wednesday. Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said she would not comment on the proceedings.
Now, I know many people have been following the news in Delaware today and are going to have a lot of questions. And so here's what I'll say at the top before I turn it over to my colleague, the Admiral. Hunter Biden is a private citizen, and this was a personal matter for him. As we have said, the President, the First Lady, they love their son, and they support him as he continues to rebuild his life. This case was handled independently, as all of you know, by the Justice Department under the leadership of a prosecutor appointed by the former president, President Trump.
What happens next remains unclear. Pressure is likely to mount on Attorney General Merrick Garland to appoint a special counsel, given that U.S. Attorney David Weiss has been accused of misconduct and that his plea deal fell apart. The unexpected twist could extend the Hunter Biden legal saga into the presidential election. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.